In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on your Skyworth TV, or if you're having the problem where the YouTube app does not open or the YouTube app keeps crashing on your Skyworth TV, or the situation where you're actually able to open up the YouTube app but videos does not load on the YouTube app on your Skyworth TV. I'm going to give you 3 solutions that will definitely fix any issue like the YouTube app can't connect right now or any other problem you might be having with the YouTube app on your Skyworth TV. Now over here I have the Skyworth Google TV, but you can apply the same solutions on your Skyworth Android TV or your Skyworth Google TV just like this one, and they will definitely work out for you. Now for the first solution, what you just want to do is to go ahead and turn off your Skyworth TV. So just press on the power button to turn off the TV, and then you want to go ahead and unplug your Skyworth TV from the wall socket. Once the TV is unplugged from the wall socket, you want to wait for about 20 seconds, and after the 20 seconds, go ahead and plug back your Skyworth TV to the wall socket one more time, and then turn on the TV. This time, before you proceed to connect your Skyworth TV to the Wi-Fi or your hotspot network, you want to make sure that there is actually internet access on your Wi-Fi or your hotspot. You can try connecting other devices to your Wi-Fi or hotspot just to be sure that there is actually internet access. And once that is done, connect the Skyworth TV to the Wi-Fi and then go ahead and try opening up the YouTube app one more time on your Skyworth TV. Trust me, this will most likely fix the issue for you. But if this solution does not work out for you and you're still facing the issue of YouTube can't connect right now on your Skyworth TV, or you're having any other problem like the app not opening, the YouTube app keeps crashing, or videos does not load on the YouTube app, my second solution that would definitely help you fix this issue is to go ahead and make sure that the date and time on your Skyworth TV is actually correct and it corresponds with the date and time on your Wi-Fi. Now majority of the time this is actually what causes the problem, and to do this, basically whether you're using the Skyworth Android or the Skyworth Google TV just like this one, go over to the settings of your Skyworth TV, usually at the top right corner of the TV over here. Open up the settings, and then you just want to scroll down to the system settings over here. Select system settings. Now scroll down to the date and time settings, and as you can see, I actually have the wrong date and time. Now to fix this issue, you just want to select automatic date and time and make sure that under automatic date and time you set it to use network provided time or auto synchronization, depending on what it is called on your Skyworth TV, but make sure that automatic date and time is not turned off. Now what you just want to do is to go back to your Wi-Fi settings. So come over to your Wi-Fi settings over here. Now just go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it on one more time. Now proceed to connect to your Wi-Fi network and then go ahead and try opening up the YouTube app again on your Skyworth TV. Now majority of the time, once you click on the try again option, you will find out that the YouTube app now works pretty well without any issue on your Skyworth TV. But if this second solution does not also work out for you, my final solution that will definitely help you fix the issue of YouTube can't connect right now or any other YouTube problem on your Skyworth TV is to just go ahead and clear the cache of the YouTube app on the TV. To do this, you want to head over to the settings one more time. So go ahead and click on the settings over here. Now scroll over to the application settings. So come over to application settings over here. Go ahead and select the YouTube app, or you can click on see all apps to see all of the apps, and then just scroll down to locate the YouTube app. Now select YouTube and then just scroll down until you get to the clear cache option over here. Select clear cache, and then you just want to click on OK. Now this will basically clear the cache of the YouTube app on your Skyworth TV, and it will most likely fix that issue for you. And at this point, you just want to go ahead and try opening up the YouTube app one more time. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.